The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Anyone vehicle that coming? Come on, guys, good job, everybody. Yeah. Better view. Come and get a good drink. You're open.
Like seriously.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, I just presented to you a short video that is out on social media, and according to social media is that this video shows of high tides within the place that is known as Montego Bay, or you can say the coastline of Montego Bay, that is of the parish of St. James, that is of the country of Jamaica. Alright, and this said to have happened because of the cold weather that is passing through Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, later on I'll show you a longer video that is said to be of high tides within the area of Montego Bay, or areas of Montego Bay, or you can say the coastline of Montego Bay, that is within the parish of St. James, country Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, there's reports out there about an incident that had happened in Augustown, that is of St. Andrew, Jamaica, where a 18-year-old male had been shot and killed. Now, this said to have happened on the 21st of January 2020, and there is videos and so on that is circulating on social media about the incident. Alright, now with that, viewers and subscribers, I have a video footage that shows of a female that is said to be the relative of the deceased, and the female is seen in the video expressing herself and talking about losing relatives due to crime and violence in Jamaica. Now, I'm going to play this video footage for you, my viewers and subscribers, and please be advised that this video footage shows of the female expressing herself in grief. Alright, so for those who might not like to see something like this, viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, observe.
Last year, 2018, my daughter buried February, and this father buried January last year. Yeah? Me just buried my mother 1 year this year. Said hard. My son in buried for my birthday, so I know what it is, and it hurt him wicked. Right now, me not lie. Me hate gunman. Me not busy for no one put it over, but right now, everybody for go down if them for go down. I saw me see it. Me not afraid to talk, I'm hurting inside. And I can't take no more. This pain too wicked. My son died for a Sunday, a Monday morning after 10. My daughter died for a Sunday morning after 10. And my nephew died for a Tuesday morning this morning after 10. Oh my God, man. Trust me. See me? If they even want to come, then come in. But me, not with nobody. I mean, I ain't no peace thing anymore. I mean, I ain't no joining thing anymore. I mean, I ain't no friend with no boy anymore. Because if a man a war, no who for go look for. I be innocent that the boy them a take down. He say, if you're bad, you go fight and look for who you want. Don't look for the innocent, because the innocent them can't solve this. The whole of we are for dead, you know? The whole of we are for dead. The only thing that our time don't come yet, for we for God. And let me tell you something. You see, when we the innocent are dead, we not cry. So who know where they do the things, and who know? People are cry. I want to the boy who for dead.
Now, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the youngster had been shot 9 times, and it is said that he had died on the spot. Alright? Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, only there, so I keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. And with that, I'm going to leave with you the longer video that shows of high tides within Jamaica. And according to what has been said on social media about this video, it is said that it shows of high tides within Montego Bay, or you could say within the coastline of Montego Bay, and that is of the parish of St. James, that is of the country of Jamaica. Alright, so you can let me know what you think about these videos, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here is the video. Observe.